Understand the report view. Congratulations! You've done the hard part of importing, transforming, and modeling your data in the Data and Model views. Now comes the fun part. You can begin using PowerView technology to view your report in the report view and add the visualizations that will bring your data to life. So what are visualizations? There's no trickery involved in the name here. Visualizations, also called visuals, are exactly what they sound like. They are the visual representations of your data. They include every kind of graph, chart, and tree map you can imagine. Furthermore, they are customizable, making these graphics one of the most impactful features Power BI has to offer, because they help you and your audience interpret and discover new insights about the data set. There are four main types of visualizations in the report view: chart visualizations, text visualizations, geospatial visualizations, and custom visualizations. Now, how exactly do visualizations work? That depends on your selections. For example, say you want to display your data in an area chart like the one pictured here. The area chart is a chart visualization. A chart visualization is best used when measuring two or more values against one another, since a prominent feature of most chart visualizations is an x-axis and y-axis. In the example above, the legend or the categories each individual data set belongs to are the names of the team members. The y-axis is the month and the x-axis is sales revenue percentages. Put all together, this area chart is measuring the total monthly sales revenues of each team member. Given the nature of the chart and the items involved, there will be different visual options that can be manipulated. With this area chart, settings can be customized for visuals such as grid lines, markers, and data labels. But small multiple title and small multiple grid visuals are grayed out, meaning they are not options for customizing your visualization. In this lesson, we will explore the report view and how you can visualize your data. Overview of the report view in Power BI. In Power BI Desktop, the report view is where you create dynamic and informative report pages with visualizations. The report view is the default view when you first open Power BI Desktop, but it can also be accessed by clicking the report icon as you navigate between views. From the Data group in the Home tab, you can connect to many different data sources to build your report. After you import data or connect to a data source, you can work with all the data fields and tables from the Data pane. You can create new measures, groups, filters, and more with the selected data in the Data pane. In the Visualizations pane, you can select visualizations and customize them to tell a compelling story with your data. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the available visualizations, as each visualization type is best suited for different contexts. Select or drag data fields from the Data pane to populate the visualizations. Review the formatting options that are available to customize the visual you selected. To add reference lines and focus on important trends or insights in your visual, click the Analytics icon. Not all visualization types will support every analytics feature, but the options can include reference lines for goals, averages, medians, and more, depending on the visualization being used. From the Filters pane, you can apply filters to specific visuals, the current report page, or all pages within the report. Applying filters allows you to focus on specific categories in your data at the visual level or across many visualizations to get a full picture. Note that the filters you apply as a report designer will remain when you close the report, and they will become the default filter state for readers once a report is saved. From the View tab, you can change the look and feel of a report canvas. You can select a theme to update the colors and formatting of the visualizations in your report. You can also select the page view, report page options, and the panes that are visible while editing the report. Once you have finished creating your report, you can publish it to the Power BI service by clicking Publish on the Home tab. Use the Report view to create informative and engaging reports that tell a story with your data. Add a visualization. Visualizations in Power BI are visual representations of your data, such as charts, maps, and gauges. To add a visualization, expand the Data pane. In the Data pane, choose a data field to use for the visualization. Alternatively, you can select the type of visualization to use first. In the Visualizations pane, select a visualization type. In the Data pane, select the appropriate data field. To move the visualization, click and drag it to the appropriate area. Discover new insights into your data with visualizations in Power BI. Overview of format features for visualizations. While editing your report, there are numerous formatting features that vary by visualization type. Select the visualization that you want to edit. In the Visualizations pane, click the Format Your Visual icon. The formatting options available for the selected visual appear. Note when a visualization is not selected, the Format pane will display formatting options for the entire report page instead. Certain features can be enabled or disabled when you set the appropriate toggle button to on or off. Once enabled, you can expand the section to view and select the formatting options you want to apply. You can also search for formatting options in the search field. For instance, if you want to edit the colors of all the elements in the visualization, you can search color instead of expanding each section. Depending on the visualization type, you can edit the colors of the legend, axes, rows, lines, data colors and labels, shapes, and more. To create a custom color, select More Colors. If you do not like the colors or formatting options you've applied in a specific section, click Reset to Default. Take some time to explore the available options for each visualization in your report. While charts have sections to edit the axes and line styles, a map visualization will have sections for the map controls and style. Once familiar with the available formatting options, you can create beautiful and engaging visualizations to tell a story with your data. Change the visualization type. Some visualization types are not visually compatible with presenting certain sets of data. In Power BI Desktop, it's easy to switch the visualization type to find the right fit visual to represent your data. In the Report view, click the visualization to change. In the Visualizations pane, select the appropriate visualization type. The new visualization type is applied.